Did this thing just blow up? Just finished loading the truck up on the trailer, and we are heading to Midwest Dirtfest tomorrow, and then Silver Lake Sand Dunes afterwards. Midwest Dirtfest, in a nutshell, is pre-runner trucks on a dirt bike track. We've been going to that event since I think 2018. Seems like it gets bigger and better every year. A lot of people travel for it. It's in Michigan, but I've met Morgan Clark there, Blake Wilkie, a bunch of the Terra Crew guys from out west. Yeah, I think there's going to be a really good turnout this year. It's a lot of fun. We don't run our trucks in the event because you have to have a CAD cage, and none of us are up to that level, at least not yet. So we take our trucks there, we camp, we have a good time, and then we head up to Silver Lake Sand Dunes Sunday morning and stay there for a few days. So this will be the first time I make a YouTube video out of this. I'm excited to take you guys along. Should be a lot of fun, so let's go. So we're on our way to Dirtfest now. Bear's already there. He said parking is pretty much packed and full already, which is crazy because it's Friday. We usually go up on Saturday, but it does get bigger every year, so kind of figured this would happen eventually. Not sure what we're getting ourselves into here. Worst case scenario, we're just going to go straight to the dunes instead, but hopefully we can get into Dirtfest, so guess we'll find out in a couple hours. Somehow, some way, we managed to get a parking spot in here. Caleb got one, Bear and Elliot are parked down there. Elliot's camper's right here. I don't know how we managed to squeeze in, but we did. So that's pretty cool. Check these things out. This is the Vivian truck Morgan Clark does a lot of work on. There's a ton of cool trucks here. Blake Wilkie's Trophy Bug, Nick Eisenhower's truck, Chris's truck. Super cool trucks from California out here. Man, it's cool to see trucks from Instagram that you've never seen, but you've seen for years online. It's super cool. These things are so nice. What a freaking beast. I think they're done running on the track for tonight, but we'll see a lot of action tomorrow. So good. God, that truck sounds good.
You need to build big sauce like that. Look at you. You know what's crazy? Hey, I thought you could stand out there.
Crazy. Too many trucks here to film everybody, but I'm gonna film some of my favorites. Ranger. David.
More fucking
Vivian.
Sounds similar.
They do kind of very similar.
Wow, both those trucks sound so good.
Yeah, Jared.
Say that was definitely the smoothest jump all day. Did they change up his exhaust? I don't know. It sounds different.
There we go. Oh, hang! Oh no! Oh my God! That's just $1,000 flying through the air. No big deal. All right, here we go. Next car. Yeah, right. Yo! Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, that might have been the best one.
Oh no! Almost. That was sick. That
David
was
and Raleigh are down there. We got to see
All right,
theirs.
Next car, we should be clear. Here we go. Oh, control.
Oh, right to the
worst
roof.
case scenario. Boys,
David's car.
I think we'll
You actually did
give it
pretty
one
good.
more minute, and then we'll just let you guys all go at once. So everybody look out.
Raleigh?
Okay? Okay? Let's go.
Oh
Two
my
cars.
God.
Oh, got him. Got him. Sorry about Trinkle. All right, here we go. Let's up. Yo! All right. Kiddos safe, all the kiddos good. Heads up, we got one coming. Yo!
Oh my God.
Yes! All right, everybody, go into the round. One. Oh my God, dude. Yo! Look at that. Yeah! Chaos. That's up, 4 left. Oh, high caliber sign, taken down. All right, we got 2 more cars, 2 more, send them. All right, here we go. Heads up, 4 left. All right, that's it, everybody.
That almost got David.
Make some noise for the guys. That was awesome.
That was great.
Nice one, yeah.
Wouldn't be Midwest Dirtfest without some rain. This is not a very ideal situation. We're making the best out of it. Pretty sure the long jump contest is going to have to be canceled this year because of this.
Well, Jared won the long jump. We missed it because we thought it was canceled due to the rain, but that's cool.
You get it? Oh, yeah. Man, you guys said that to Jared.
will.
You made everybody look like a dick.
All right, Dirtfest is over. We're packing up camp now. It's Sunday morning, and we're gonna head over to Silver Lake Dunes. Bear and Raleigh are already on the road. I think Elliot's gonna be a bit behind us because they have a camper to deal with and this, but we'll meet them up there eventually. All right, Dirtfest is over. We're heading up to Silver Lake Sand Dunes now, and I think a lot of the cool trucks that were at Dirtfest are gonna do the same thing, so we'll see a lot of those trucks on the dunes. I'm excited for the Eisenhowers and some of those guys that have never been there to check it out and have some fun, see what they think. Yeah, we had a good time at Dirtfest, and we're off to the dunes now. All right, we made it to the dunes. We're heading in now for the first time. About to find out what it's like this time. I'm testing a new gear ratio in this truck. Long story short, my 513 that I've had in here forever was damaged more than I thought a couple trips ago, so they don't make that anymore. I've ended up with a 488 in the truck. We'll see how I like that. And then Elliot is testing solid body mounts on his truck, and Bear is testing more compression valving in his front shocks. Trying not to go too fast on the first lap before I do something stupid.
I was thinking that, but I know you know better.
How does the Eisenhowers go through here?
Probably just like perfectly smooth.
Butter.
How's your front shocks feel so far?
I had one, I thought we were going to bottom them out, but it took it pretty good, so I can tell a difference, but it's still early in the day.
Yeah. Good.
Whoa, brother.
So glad there was not rocks there. This is actually kind of steep here.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
I did not think we were making it up that, dude. All right, dunes are fast and fun. We got here too early to check into our campsite, so we're gonna run over there now and try now. It's been a couple hours. See if we can set up our tents to let them dry out from last night. We just finished setting up our little area. We got my setup, me and David and Caleb staying over here too. Elliot and Tony just rolled in. They got to set up their camper. Bear's setting up camp over there. You can kind of see his red Raptor through the trees. I think we're gonna get some lunch maybe swim in the lake and then hit the dunes later today. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna have a good time. Well, we got some lunch and we swam in the lake. Now we're back out on the dunes and we're watching some of the big trucks jump this hill right here. Holy cow! Dang, Jared, what are you doing? When's the long jump and thinks he can crash into me now. Man, Vivian getting chased down by the Michigan DNR. Damn, Blake, that was big. Had a unlucky kind of nosedive situation. So we're looking the truck over. Front bumper is smashed pretty bad. I mean, it was already bad, but it's worse now. And we decide we're gonna go to camp and look the truck over, and now it won't come out of park. So we'll see what we got going on here. Turns out Bear kicked the brake switch upon impact, so he fixed that up and now it works again. We're gonna cruise over to camp and see if there's anything wrong with this thing. That was a really hard hit. I wish I got it on video. You guys find anything yet?
No, just the big. That's the rack. There's not much play in the rack. But, you know, times everything still seems good.
All right.
Did you want to look at the welds back here while it's in the air?
Yeah. Ugh, I'll have to climb under this thing, I think. We decided we're gonna get some chicken shack and fix the truck later. We got David and Raleigh going on the zip line. It's a pretty cool area, Silver Lake over here by the chicken shack. Maybe we can do the roller coaster next. Oh boy.
Woo! That's quick!
Bye.
What will they get stuck at? All the way to the top?
They would easily get stuck right in the middle. That, or they'll get stuck right up towards the top.
Oh.
What if they get stuck? They just jump into the pond?
No, I gotta jog them back down. I got a master control panel back there. Easily they'll. You can see how heavy they are. Look at the rope.
Yeah.
That'd be cool if we could just jump off into the water.
We're up here. Shit. Yeah! We're coming in quick, dude. Holy shit!
Putting the rope down.
Damn, dude! Look out! Hell yeah, that was awesome! That was quick, dude! He said you guys are too fat. I got shit. Maybe I wouldn't. If I would have shit, I would have lost a little bit of weight. Wait, you mean that goes quicker then? What?
It goes quicker with two big people.
Dude, I was even distracted.
Trying to get the bumper bent down, at least enough to not be pushing up so hard on the valance. It's moved a lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Hopefully it stays there. See if it stays down. We loosen the bolts and then tighten the bolts with it down. That side looks pretty good. It's definitely still pushing the valance up, but
Right here.
I think it is better.
But it's definitely better on this side.
maybe good enough for now. Trail fix. finding anything wrong with it?
Not yet.
Solid mounts look good. Basically, we wanted to put solid mounts on this because the mini fenders are mounted to the cab. This is mounted to the bumper, so they kind of move and fight each other with the rubber body mounts. And this truck's getting a cab cage this winter, so it was going to get solid body mounts and a cab cage soon anyway, but it keeps breaking the mounts up here and stuff, so he decided to just throw the mounts on and see what happens. Some guys say it would destroy the sheet metal of the cab. Other people just seems like not a lot of people have tried it, so here we are. Seems good so far. Did this thing just blow up?
We lost power.
We might have just lost everything. You smell that? Yeah, it smells good.
I think he might be down a motor.
I'll see if I can loop back around.
We're like right after the hill Bear hit hard at. No fluid or anything?
I'm gonna try to hit the starter. It's on. No, it's good.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it
Doesn't sound.
sounds fine on the starter, and it wanted to
Are
start.
you sure you got fuel?
I think.
Kind of sounds like it's out of fuel. Sounds like she's out of fuel.
We might have broke the fuel pump.
Oh, yeah.
Let me check codes.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of fuel.
That's not what I want to hear. Yeah, we'll be okay. Thank you. Fuel pump circuit open. We got a fuel pump code.
Try to knock on it if you want to try to kick it over again.
Fuel pump A control circuit open. PO627. Well, shit, if it just needs a fuel pump, dude, I'll take that over a motor.
Wait till Elliot gets here, we'll try again.
Well, last trip, Bear's fuel pump broke because in these fuel cells, the pump doesn't sit on the floor and spring like a stock tank. It hangs in there, and it broke loose.
Getting sloshed around.
We might end up having to like bolt, like make a thing that has tubes and bolts the pump and compresses it a little so it's not hanging on its own weight, or like put hockey pucks under it so it's supported on the bottom.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't know.
Hell yeah.
Gain some speed on the downhill. I think he'll get it.
Yeah, he's got it.
I hope.
Yeah, he's got
We're definitely not picking up any speed. Come on.
it. It's pretty much how you were sounding.
When I pulled Jared out, I held 6,500 this entire hill. Yeah. His truck definitely weighs more than mine too, but this can't be good on a truck either way. He's got it. We're about to cross the hill. Oh, well, oh yeah, it's apart. It's not even plugged in.
Oh, jeez. That thing got mangled.
Yeah. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna get this.
Not a dunes trip without a trail fix.
It's freaking held together by the wires and stuff. Oh boy. Sheesh. Alright, then it's confirmed then. These hanging in those cells, that's why this is happening. That's why it's happened to there, that's why it's happened to me. We gotta build something that supports the bottom of this.
Got our nice workstation, workbench.
Yes.
The sand that just popped off.
Maybe we can fix this pump though instead of buying a new one.
That'd be cool.
If we can just plug it back in and build something that keeps it together.
That'd be very cool.
That would be very cool. Any wires like ripped?
I don't see any.
It's just a plug that came apart, I think. That'd be cool because these things are kind of expensive.
Very cool.
Let's see. I assume it goes like that.
Yep.
Might work now. Well, alright, let's see if we can find a way to make this thing stay together. So here's our temporary fix. We got it slid back together and we were able to run some zip ties around a couple of areas to hopefully keep it from coming apart again. And then I'll probably pull it back apart at home and come up with something that holds it together, or build some kind of platform that goes in the bottom of the fuel cell for this to rest on and be supported. But we're about to put it back in and see if it fires up, see if it works. Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah, it primed, I heard it. I'm gonna come up there and try and start it. Ugh. Fire in the pipes. There she is.
And it's right, it's 9 o'clock. Perfect time to go out to the dunes, baby.
Let's go on the dunes. Those are getting so big. My God. Bomba clock! You ever see any of those Jamaican videos? Okay, we're home from the trip. Truck's back in the garage. I just finished making this. This is a pedestal that the pump is going to sit on. and that's going to prevent it from dangling and being able to rip apart anymore. So this is going to mount to that, and then it's going to compress some when you put it in the cell, and that'll take care of our fuel pump issues. I hope you guys liked the video. Tried to focus more on trucks that were brought out to this event this time around. And if you want to see more on our group's trucks, check out the previous off-road videos I've done, or just subscribe and stay tuned, because we'll be hauling these things down to Georgia to run our trucks on a dirt bike track or side-by-side track at a big Raptor event in like 8 or 10 days. Then we'll be at the dunes after that, and so on and so on. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. See you next time.